Uh, I haven't posted in a really long time. Um, I just got really busy and a lot's been going on, but I am back, and because I was gone for so long, I'm gonna make a longer video than I normally do, and also to thank you for supporting me, because I really wasn't expecting people to really see these. So I'm just gonna be inducing some sneezes for a while. So it's really sensitive today. Sorry if the fan is super loud. Hold on. It's hot in this room, and I am not sitting in this hot room sneezing. So I'm keeping the fan on. So if it's loud, then just deal with that. Let me know in comments if you'd like to see more loud sneezes or more stifled. I've been doing both, but I'm not sure which is preferred. Okay, so I said this video was gonna be longer, but my nose likes to stop working with inducing after a while, and it's harder to get them to go. So instead of forcing it and just shoving things in my nose, I'm just gonna call it. But now I'm very stuffy. I'll try to post more regularly. Yeah.